has a lot of words that are similarly sounding and also sometimes have similar spelling but have completely different meaning. Right? But there are also set of words that are similar in terms of spelling almost. Meaning is also slightly related. So if you're not careful, your communication again can become a big mess, right? So being very choosy and understanding the meaning of each word correctly and appropriately, accurately, and bringing them into the right places at the right communication instances can make a big difference to your communication. Exhausted and exhaustive is one such word. They're almost related in meaning, but have uh, but can be used only at different instances, right? Exhausted, I'm sure you already know, it's fatigued, it's tired, you're washed out, you're extremely tired after a day or an event or whatever it could be. That is when you say, you bring the word exhausted. For example, I was exhausted after a full day of work at school. After the train journey all the way from Chennai to Delhi, I was exhausted. Right? Whereas exhaustive is you are in thorough detail, you have done everything to finish a task, right? The attention to detail is excruciating. Her thesis was exhaustive because she had covered all the aspects of fashion technology. His dissertation on the topic of biotechnology was exhaustive because it had a very it brought in the past, it looked at the contemporary situation, and it had a very futuristic vision. Right? That's how exhaustive is used. Both are adjectives, and so you need to be very careful about bringing them into your conversation, right? So that's the background bit of exhausted versus exhaustive. I really hope you found this video useful. If yes, please hit the subscribe button next to my logo there. And like I always say in all my videos, there's a lot of information that I can go on and on about. For instance, these words itself, exhausted versus exhaustive. So I've compiled so much of information as a blog post in my website, beautifultimes.in. So do visit that if you'd like to. Thank you and take care.